Bought a truck. It's a 2008 Ford Ranger. It's 152,000 kilometers on it. I got it, Thursday night. Guess I bought it Tuesday, and by the time everything got done, I got it home Thursday night. Just a one-owner vehicle. Guy bought it brand new and just kept it till now, which point I bought it. It's never used hard, just commuter truck back and forth to work, grocery getter type deal. It's got V6 3-liter engine in it, so I don't know much about them. I'm no mechanic anyway, but from what I've been reading, gives you a little more power, like compared to like a 2.5 4-cylinder. Get more low-end torque, but if I'm hauling hay and feed, I kind of want that low-end torque anyway. And I guess they do come with a 4-liter engine. It's probably good it doesn't have that, because then give me that extra power. I'd probably do something stupid like try and float my tractor around. But anyways, I don't know. Driving it for a couple days back and forth to work. Happy with it. The worst, there's hardly a scratch or ding in it. And as far as body condition goes, got that little spot here on this side, same one on the other side. Like, other than that, like, she's solid. You know, let's look inside here. It's just clean, spotless in here. I got some mud in the floors, but yeah, everything's thawing out and it's muddy around here. Everything's manual. There's like no bells and whistles with it. I like that. Less to break down. Roll down windows. And say, the guy that had the truck, he kept everything. He bought that stereo at Future Shop in 2012. The reason I know that is because paperwork for it's all right there. Still has a receipt in there. You see, I have all the owner's manual, operating manual. All came with it. It's just kind of an unbelievable find, really. Yeah, see if I can start it up here. Yeah, came with 5-speed manual too. I love that. Start trade up. So, I guess just my, this is my next advancement in my farm building thing, whatever I got going on here. Now I got to build a calf box, so you start bringing calves in. That's going to be nice. I can haul smaller calves in, but once they're growing, the processor's just going to pick them up here anyway, so I never have to haul anything out. Cattle wise, too heavy. So, anyway, excuse me. Anyway, that's just kind of it for now. Just kind of my newest purchase here. I needed another vehicle anyway, and so checked out a couple used car dealers. They didn't have any trucks, just cars and SUVs. And I already have an SUV, didn't want another one, so I found this on a private sale. Anyway, I guess that's about it for now. Just thought I'd show everybody this. All right, later.